What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tools Informer. Today's video has the best wood carving tools for beginners lined up for you. So, if you're a sculptor or a carpenter who wants to carve wooden workpieces, this video might be for you. But also, DIYers will find this impressive since the tools included in this video are something they will also need to complete various projects. We've rounded up the best wood carving tools for you. More information is in the links in the description below. So, here are the top 5 picks for the best wood carving tools for beginners. Dremel 8220 Cordless Rotary Tool. The Dremel 8220 Cordless Rotary Tool does it all unplugged from a wall outlet since it's a cordless wood carving tool. It has a powerful 12-volt lithium-ion battery that gives it great performance and makes it easy to carry around. What's more impressive is that this battery is removable for convenient replacement and recharging. You can charge this removable battery in an hour with the 1-hour charger included in the package. Aside from the fast charger reducing the downtime, the package includes an attachment and 28 Dremel accessories. These accessories make sure you can use this powered tool for wood carving, cutting, polishing, sharpening, and sanding. So this is one of the best tools for beginners who want to carve different kinds of wood. Many tool accessories pose a challenge during replacement, but this tool features a quick collar lock for fast accessory swapping. Besides, this wood carving tool features an easy twist nose cap for the same purpose. Comfort is an added advantage since this wood carving tool features a soft grip zone for improved comfort and control. Also, the body is slim to improve ergonomics even further. The motor is powerful and maintains this power at all speed settings. You can also vary the motor speed from 5,000 to 35,000 RPMs. Additionally, the separate on-off switch makes sure this wood carving tool maintains the set speed every time. However, the charger isn't very durable, but it reduces downtime significantly if it's working. AUGSUN Wood Carving Knife Set. This AUGSUN wood carving knife set is an excellent choice for expert and beginner carpenters and sculptors. To begin with, this is a set of 20 items, including 12 wood carving knives made from high carbon steel for exceptional strength and performance. Also, these wood carving knives feature handles made from premium wood for ergonomic performance and durability. The knives are elegant since they feature an electrolytic coating. In addition to making the knives look nice, this coating keeps them from getting rusty or scratched, making this set very durable. Aside from the wood carving knives, the set also includes 2 pieces of sandpaper, 2 pieces of wipe cloth, a carpenter's pencil, and a storage case. Therefore, it contains all the essential items for carving your wood workpieces. Besides carving and sculpting wood, this set is a perfect choice for modeling, cutting, graining, and scraping wooden workpieces. And this makes it a set of the best wood carving tools for beginners and experts alike. What's remarkable about this set is that the carving knives keep sharp edges for extended periods. You can achieve the same wood carving results consistently with this added advantage. Also, the wood carving knives feature different shaped gouges for usage versatility. However, the tips aren't sturdy enough, since some hardwood workpieces might chip the tips away. But this rarely happens, meaning this is a worthwhile investment. Schaaf Wood Carving Tools. This 12-piece foundation set might be just what you need to kickstart a wood carving project. Whether you want to sculpt a house sign or want to sculpt a caricature figure, you will find the ideal wood carving tool in this set. Away from functionality, this set is durable. The wood carving tools have premium grade chromium vanadium steel for an unwavering spirit of sculpting and carving any wooden workpiece. Even better, the slopes are set at the best angles at the factory for carving precision that can't be beat. This decision makes this set ideal for carvers. Sharpening the bevels is more convenient, especially with the sharpening guide included in the ebook. Even if you're a beginner, honing the blades back to ultra-sharp performance is a no-brainer. And, to guarantee durability, the alloy steel material isn't only sharp, but also hardened to Rockwell C60. Therefore, you will score more with this set in your tool store. Durability isn't a worry for the most part, but still, this set comes backed by excellent customer service. The handle material is European-style octagonal ashwood. Because of this handle design, these tools have exceptional comfort and control. Additionally, the handles prevent these wood carving tools from rolling off the workpiece. So far, everything about this set checks the boxes for the best wood carving tools for beginners, but this set doesn't lack a few drawbacks. However, one weakness that seems to cut across the board is that the wood carving tools are not sharp enough. But getting the tools in tip-top shape is straightforward, especially with the learning materials included in an ebook. Therefore, this is another set to consider. Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools. These Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools will handle woodworking projects like surface detailing and carving workpieces. And that's because this is a set of all the essential tools you need to work on the most woodworking projects. This set included 7 long shaft tools, 5 short palm wood knives, 2 files, and a grindstone. Also included in this set is a mallet. Therefore, this set contains all the basic forming tools for completing various projects. You will use the grindstone for sharpening dull tools, thus restoring their excellent performance. But because these tools are well made, you won't have to sharpen them as often, so you can focus on getting better at woodworking. Moreover, storing your tools after usage is more convenient since this set also includes a canvas bag. The canvas tool bag protects the sharp bevels for excellent performance every time. But more importantly, it allows for efficient tool transportation to a work site. These tools work efficiently on wood carving projects most of the time, but the blade dulls occasionally, and this is one of the drawbacks. But still, these tools are some of the best wood carving tools for beginners. Therefore, you also want to consider them as another option. WAYCOM Wood Carving Tools. These WAYCOM wood carving tools come in a beautiful bamboo box. This box is elegant since it has a pretty design, making this tool set the perfect Christmas gift. What's impressive about it is that it lets you sort your wood carving tools for hassle-free project completion. With this impressively designed bamboo box, you can organize your wood carving tools by size, and this ensures you can pick the tool you need more conveniently. What's included in the bamboo box is a chip carving knife along with a hook knife and a cut-resistant gloves. Also, this bamboo box includes a wood carving spoon, a leather strip, and a polishing compound. When rushing against time to complete a project, you might harm your hands. But with the included cut-resistant gloves, you don't risk damaging your hands since they are protected by these gloves. The leather sheath included in the set provides a convenient way to transport your sharp wood carving tools. However, this set doesn't include any more tools, which reduces versatility, but it's still a worthwhile set, especially for beginners. So if you're looking for the best wood carving tools for beginners, this set might impress you with its various carving tools. Therefore, it's worth the buy. That's the end of the list of the best wood carving tools for beginners. If you're a beginner, you still need wood carving tools that work efficiently. And that's what this review has looked at in the past few minutes. We hope you find a wood carving tool set that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.